If P, a by 2 comma 4 is the midpoint of the line segment joining A and B. So here A and B is a line segment. A value is minus 6 comma 5, B is minus 2 comma 3, and the point P is the midpoint clearly mentioned. So A by 2 comma 4. So this I'll consider x1 y1 and the B I'll consider as x2 y2. Now midpoint of AB. So P is the midpoint of AB. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now P is a by 2 comma 4. x1 is minus 6 minus 2 because x2 is minus 2 plus into minus minus by 2. Next y1 is 5 plus 3 by 2. So if you'll simplify, a by 2 comma 4 minus 8 by 2 comma 8 by 2. Now see, if you'll observe ordinate and ordinate, they are equal because 8 by 2 is 4. Now I need to find a, so what I'll do, I'll equate abscissa with abscissa. So a by 2 equals minus 8 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So the value of a is minus 8. So a value is minus 8.